Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. This is Introduction to Psychology Part 1 PSY 312 by Dear Knowledge. Okay, till now we have successfully completed the central nervous system part, which we have discussed on the topic of the nervous system, and we are currently discussing the part of the peripheral nervous system, in which we have successfully completed the somatic nervous system part of the peripheral nervous system. The somatic nervous system is further divided into afferent nerves and efferent nerves, and if you haven't watched all those videos, I have given links in the description. Go ahead, click on that link, watch that video if you want to. Now in this video, we are currently discussing autonomic nervous system. In our previous video, we have discussed what actually is autonomic nervous system and what are the functions of autonomic nervous system, what is the importance of autonomic nervous system, and how you can increase or decrease autonomic nervous system. So if you haven't watched that video, I have given links in the description. Go ahead, click on that link and watch that video. Now in this video we will be discussing the fight or flight response, in which will be discussed under the topic of sympathetic division and parasympathetic division when we start discussion on it. So fight or flight response is a term that we will be discussing in this video. I want you to understand what actually it means, because when I will be discussing the type of the sympathetic division and parasympathetic division, I will be using this term. So it is very important for you to know what actually fight or flight response is. So this video is all about fight or flight response. So let's start. The autonomic nervous system mediates much of the physiological arousal that occurs when a person experiences emotions. For example, imagine that you're walking home alone one night when a seedy-looking character falls in behind you and begins to follow you. Now, if you feel threatened, your heart rate and breathing will speed up. Your blood pressure may surge, you may get goosebumps, and your palm may begin to sweat. Now, during emergencies, the rise in breathing rate, heart rate or heartbeat, and the goosebumps we get are the involuntary reactions that are mediated by the autonomic nervous system. Or we can say that these difficult to control reactions are aspects of the autonomic arousal. Now, Walter Cannon in 1932, one of the first psychologists to study this reaction. Now, he called it fight or flight response. Now, Cannon carefully monitored this response in cats after confronting them with dogs. He concluded that organisms generally respond to threat by preparing physiologically for attacking, which is fight, or fleeing from that situation, which is flight, from the enemy or from any stressful situation. Then he postulated that this system is concerned with either an individual taking charge in a stressful situation or fleeing from it. Now, unfortunately, this fight or flight response can be backfire if stress leaves a person in a chronic state of autonomic arousal. Excessive exposure to a stressful situation can often leave an individual stressed and make him or her prone to physical diseases such as increased blood pressure, development of ulcer, and so on. Or you can say prolonged automatic arousal can eventually contribute to physical diseases. So this was the end of the video. If your concept is clear, you can like the video. If you're not, you can ask us in the comment section and we will be happy to help you out. Plus, if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to our channel. If you want to stay notified, you can click on the bell icon so you will never ever miss any notification from Dear Knowledge. You can also share the link of this channel or video with your family members and friends, because sharing is caring. Until then, Allah Hafiz.